Although Ripple is still in trouble, there is one exchange that stands by Ripple and hasn't removed XRP off its platform. To be honest, I have no idea. What's the most recent one? Are there any developments in the SEC vs Ripple case? Find out at the end of this video. At the end of the month, we'll give away $25 to one lucky subscriber to get them started on their XRP journey. All you have to do is subscribe, like, and watch the video. In the section below, please share your thoughts about XRP. The XRP army is returning. After a long-running dispute, the XRP community has expressed its thanks to Uphold for its refusal to remove XRP off its platform despite regulatory rejection. As long as the SEC stated claims against Ripple are settled in a way that legally establishes the cryptocurrency as an asset, XRP will not be delisted from Uphold. Until that happens, XRP will remain on the Uphold platform. As the SEC professes to be fighting for, Uphold says customers would suffer billions of dollars in losses because of the SEC fake consumer protection standards. For clients that the SEC claims to be protecting, Uphold says that if the court sides with the commission, they will suffer billions of dollars in losses. Isn't that impressive? If you think Uphold is the best exchange out there, please use the hashtag XRPArmy. Ripple Labs stock has fallen recently, despite the ongoing SEC vs Ripple Labs litigation and the recent decline in its price. Ripple has been making news in the cryptocurrency press on a regular basis. When Ripple X General Manager Monica Long spoke on the Thinking Crypto podcast recently, she discussed the company's recent successes, multi-chain development, and the XRP ledger technology. So ODL been in market for a few years now, and Q3 was undoubtedly the most extraordinary, Long said. So ODL the killer value proposition for RippleNet, he continued. Q3 2021 to Q3 2020 saw an increase in the volume of ODL traffic of 25 times and more than 130% quarter-over-quarter. Long tacked on this. A total of 20 countries now have access to the product. The US is one of them, says the company's CEO. Long also made it clear that the consumer was not compelled to maintain XRP because the asset was received via an exchange partner, or Ripple, rather than directly from the company. In addition to this model, there was a second option. That's not all, however, the CEO also told the audience. They claimed that the new technology would lower exchange rates and speed up the process. Long reiterated her belief that XRP has a bright future by exploring the XRP ecosystem more. Multi-chained in structure. Long emphasized her displeasure with Ethereum's excessive gas pricing when it comes to NFT, pointing out that the XRP ledger had transaction fees that were significantly lower. In comparison, it was a fraction of a penny. When Long spoke of 2021's introduction of the XLS20 standard, he spoke of how it would facilitate the creation of NFT on the XRP ledger. How likely is it that something will actually occur? The community's response had been noted for a long period of time now. Excellent, he said, adding that it would be up to the validators to decide whether or not to accept it. To put it another way, it's all about the amendment process now. That's a really lovely thing. They are open and decentralized at the same time. The timing is, in the hands of the community, basically, he explains. For other Ripple X initiatives, Long mentioned the EVM side chains for Ethereum contracts, the federated side chains that developers may inspect, and automated market making AM. Because of this, when it comes to a CBDC agreement between Ripple and Bhutan's Royal Monetary Authority, sustainability was a major selling point for the corporation in the pilot, according to Long. Foreign CBDC ledgers must be compatible with each other, they said. The company has had many conversations with and expected that news regarding prospective clients will be announced soon, Long said. In terms of the development of the CBDC in the UK, Ripple has partnered with the Digital Pound Foundation. Are you going to keep your XRP coins, by the way? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. Published on Thursday, a research from JP Morgan's North America Equity Research Team claims that XRP is ready for mass use. One of Ripple Labs' main priorities is securing new RippleNet partners, and XRP will be available on demand through the company's liquidity service, which will help expand the currency around the world. The price of XRP has decreased along with the rest of the cryptocurrency market in recent days despite this. According to the JP Morgan report's introduction, XRP was designed to facilitate Ripple's blockchain-based digital payment network transactions. In addition to speedier bill payment and lower transaction fees, the network has a number of advantages. In its introduction, the newspaper mentions that it was founded in 2012 by Jed McCaleb and Chris Larsen. Traditional money transfers, such as SWIFT transfers, are expensive and time-consuming. In as little as 5 business days, Ripple's XRP may complete transactions. There are no transaction fees at all. Because of the various intermediary banks involved, SWIFT transfers are more expensive for both the sender and the recipient. In addition to Bank of America, Santander, and American Express, there are more than 100 financial institutions that participate in the Ripple network. And Yoshikawa, Ripple's senior director of worldwide operations, was quoted in the J.P. Morgan report when it came to XRP particular value in comparison to stablecoins. According to her, stablecoins are based on the currency's volatility. On the other hand, XRP, on the other hand, is not connected to any one currency. Anyone with an interest in XRP is sure to bring up the SEC v. Ripple litigation. For Ripple, J.P. Morgan utilizes the Howey test as a guideline, sets forth the final objective, and reduces the chance of success. When all 4 of the following conditions are met, an investment contract is created. Mutual fund investment with the prospect of a return. A monetary investment in a cooperative endeavor that yields a return on the labor of others. For mutual benefit, and an investment of money into a shared venture with expectations for profit generated by the efforts of others. SEC lawsuits and stock trading can continue only if the business wins the case, he said. XRP is gaining traction on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase. Do you think Ripple will prevail in its lawsuit against the Securities and Exchange Commission? If this is the case, go to step like this video, please. Then, there's this other interesting tidbit of information, too. XRP was transferred from the medium-tier Coin One exchange to an unknown wallet by a Whale tier address, according to the Whale Alert Tracking Service. There has been no transfer of funds from the receiving wallet during this time. Outflows on the Ethereum exchange have hit an all-time high, signaling a move to a buy-the-dip mentality. In light of the current market conditions, the transaction is consistent with the fast increasing outflow trend. Seeing a whale of this size moving in this direction could be a warning that we are going to see a huge spike in price movement. Ripple's latest news, what do you think of it? Other exchanges may also relist XRP in the near future. Let us know what you think in the comments. After this movie, we have 2 videos for you to watch on the end screen if you want to learn more about XRP. Become a fan and give us a thumbs up by subscribing. I appreciate you taking the time to look. I'll see you in the video below. Cryptocurrency prices might change at any time. As a result, the value could be completely different by the time you watch this movie. The material in this video is not meant to be a substitute for professional financial advice. No part of this website's content should be taken as investment advice, trading advice, or any other kind of advice. For educational purposes only, this video's information should not be construed as financial guidance. Do your homework and seek advice from experts before making a purchase decision. Before making any investment decisions, consult with a financial advisor.